Time to get my sweet potato slips together. Got these sweet potatoes here. Gonna cover them in the soil and watch them grow me some sweet potato slips. I have this one here that I pulled off one of the sweet potatoes and I put it in some water. And look how beautiful the slips are growing here. Look at those roots growing good. Okay, they're gonna be ready to go outside in the soil soon. Okay, let me get this bed here together. This little pot here with the sweet potatoes. I'm gonna add some more soil on top of here and water it in and wash some more sweet potato slips to grow off of them. These will be the ones that I will put in my garden bed to grow. And some more sweet potatoes. These are my sweet potatoes that drew from last year, last season, when we were growing sweet potatoes. Okay, let me get these watered in good and add some more soil on top of them and watch them grow me some slips like this. Yes. Okay, I have my sweet potatoes covered up in the soil real good. Just waiting for the sweet potato slips to grow. Okay, I'm getting my 5-gallon buckets mixed up here together here. I'll add some compost in here and go ahead and plant my pineapple tops and see them grow. These are the ones that I harvest last spring and summer that were growing, and I took the tops off of them and put them in some water, and the roots look good on them. So it's time spring once again. Let's plant all of my pineapple tops in here and let's watch them grow. Cleaned it all off, got all those dead leaves off of it. Look at the beautiful roots on this pineapple top. Okay, let's get it in here in this soil. Okay, let's put some soil around you there. The roots are down into the soil. Now let's get ready to grow some more pineapples. Okay, I have my pineapple top planted. Looking good. Okay, pineapples, come on and grow. Looking nice, yes you are. More pineapples gonna grow over here too. Okay, pineapple tops. Grow for us, pineapples. Okay. Pineapples growing in Big Mama's garden.